We cannot make a commitment to changing the world without first making the commitment to changing students' lives. Every single student matters.
What is the goal? What do you need to be doing every single day, right? How do you say that you want to go to college and get a scholarship, but you're not doing the things that the student that's in a different county, they're preparing themselves to get a scholarship, and you're not doing half of what they're doing? For some of you, if you give up Fortnite, you'll be a straight A student. But you can't. You just like, I can't. You just like, yo, I can't, Mike, it's too hard.
Yo, what's up? It's your inspirator, Mike the Motivator. We here with the ninth graders. Hey, let's repeat it. This is my life.
This is my life.
This is my education.
This is my education.
I will succeed or fail.
I will only fail.
Because of me.
Because of me.
What's up, educators? My name is Mike Nelson. I am the founder and creator of the Student Success School Assembly Program. The Student Success School Assembly Program is educational and motivational presentations geared towards students infused with principles that help students to succeed academically and personally. The Student Success School Assembly Program to date has traveled the country inspiring, motivating, and empowering close to 100,000 students. My goal for this upcoming school year is to bring the Student Success School Assembly Program to your school. I'm so grateful that the Student Success School Assembly Program has been able to change the trajectory of students' lives. What you see now is just a few of the students who have sent me messages and the impact that the Student Success School Assembly Program has had.
Well, my name is Daniel Batik. I'm the Executive Director of Camelot Chester Upland School District. We had Mike the Motivator out today, very inspirational. Students had a great time. As they were walking out, a lot of them said, you know, they wish it was a little bit longer and they want him to come back again. Very inspirational, and we appreciate him coming out today. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Fine. I'm the site manager here at Medical Arts High School. Mike came today and spoke about some great things for the kids to take home, real truthful honesty about taking responsibility, taking accountability, making a plan for their future, and he was so well received. The students were really excited about hearing from him, and I know that they learned a lot and will take a lot away from today's talk.
If you're looking for an engaging school assembly program, look no further than the Student Success School Assembly Program. Would you do me a favor? Would you share this with an educator and students who could benefit from this? For more information on the Student Success School Assembly Program, visit www.mikenelsonspeaks.com.